How to fix YouTube offline download problem. If you're facing problems when you download YouTube videos offline, then in this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. First of all, launch open the YouTube app, then tap on the profile icon. Now tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will open up settings. Here, find the option of download, select that. Now you have the option download over Wi-Fi only. Make sure that you toggle off this option. After this, go ahead and try to download the video. If you're still facing error, then you want to launch open Play Store or App Store. Here you want to search YouTube. If you find the update option, go ahead and tap on that. Once the update has been completed, launch open YouTube and your issue will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.